Hi guys, Mrs. Porsche here, and I am going to talk to you today about the context clues activity from the literacy section of your menu. So this activity lists a few different sentences with underlined words. The directions say, write the meaning of the underlined words in the following sentences and highlight or write which context clues helped you to determine the meanings. So we're going to work on number 1 together. Let's read the sentence. Number 1, the class laughed at the student's witty answer. The teacher was unamused by the student's answer. So on my scratch paper, I'm going to write number 1 because that is what I'm working on. Number 1, and I know that I'm trying to define the word witty, but I'm not quite ready to do that yet. I want to think about some of the context clues. So it says I can highlight or write, so I'm choosing to write my context clues. Now, the first context, the first thing that's happening in this sentence, I'm reading that the class laughed at the student's answer. Well, what do other students usually laugh at? Well, they usually laugh if another student gives a funny answer, because the other students laughed. So there's my first piece of context clue. So maybe witty means something like funny. If I plug it into the sentence, the class laughed at the student's funny answer. Well, that makes sense. So maybe funny is a pretty good synonym. The next part of the sentence says the teacher was unamused by the student's answer. Well, sometimes when students tell jokes at the wrong time, sometimes teachers are unamused by that. So that's another piece of context clues. I see that the teacher is unamused by a student's answer. We'll say the teacher was unamused. So then maybe the answer was a funny answer. Maybe it was also clever. Sometimes when you're being clever, you're being funny. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to check my work. Now that I've listed my context clues and I've listed a few synonyms for what I think the word witty means, now I'm going to check my answer. And I'm checking my answer by going to a dictionary website and looking up the word. Now that I've come up with my own definition, I want to check and see how close I got. So the word witty, I looked it up in just a free online kids dictionary, and the definition says showing or characterized by clever humor. Oh, clever is one of the words we used in our definition. And then it says similar words, which is the same thing as a synonym. For similar words, it had clever and funny. Oh, those are the two that I put, funny and clever. So that is how you complete the context clues activity. I would do the same thing for 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. And make sure to check your work after you've come up with your context clues and your definitions. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.